Good evening, Canna Tortoise Capital Nightly Strategy Podcast for December 5th, 2024. We opened up the AI 2025 initiative, an annual research program. Opened up the registration for that, and the link is clickable, or send me an email if that link doesn't work for you. We'll shift to the sniper trade of the day. So this is we're testing some rules on DIA, the diamonds, Dow 30, 1 minute. Blue box is the 1 minute opening range. We get short when the RL10 crosses through the VWAP. When the RL10 rolls over, we take the skin of the dragon exit. Might have taken the SSC, but I waited to RL10 crosses the VWAP and the Bollinger Band mean, the SMA 30, long, standard risk. RL10 reverses and take the PSAR exit. When the price goes through the SMA 30 and the VWAP, I get short, quick hit. It rolls over again. That's a COTA 2 short. PSAR exit. I'm really liking that rule set. Continuing to manage our PTIR trade. It's trading up around 122 now. And let's see. Dashboard 1. Bullish quiet, oversold. Overbought on everything except the short term. There was a bit of a pullback today. Risk is still favorable. Still risk on, although we are becoming abnormally risky on the Z-score. But this is still favorable to the upside. A warning on a sell on dip for IEV. In the Autoframer, I'm certainly come back to the dashboard 2. In the Dow, there a real mixed bag between strength and severe weakness. I'll let you read that. Plenty of good symbols on an Autoframer. In the ETFs, strength in discretionary, treasuries, and agriculture. Good handful of symbols that test out well on the Autoframer. There's your Autoframer stats for some great targets in there. The oil sector, Intel, Brazil, and NVIDIA are in there. NVIDIA is also on a squeeze. That's a very good sign, as is the S&P. Lots of symbols here on the firing on the reward to risk, better than 2 to 1. Here's all your trade framing data. Still being dominated in the summer and spring by the Four Seasons. Mixed bag here on the multi-timeframe NDX. Some usual suspects doing really well. Tesla dominating, Palantir dominating, Walmart and Microsoft. But then some real weaknesses up in here. Intel, Johnson & Johnson, Devon and Nucor, and Cliff. So the entire steel sector getting beat today. And everything looks good on the long side here in spite of that little pullback today. Everything looks good on the long side. In the Z-scores. Come back to the frog champions here. The frog list trading value, yeah. Marijuana, Intel, Tesla, PBW looking really good at 3.7 to 1 with a 3.5% volatility. NVIDIA, 2.3 frog, 4.25%. Nice. Look at that Palantir's almost 6% average daily volatility. So very tradable intraday moves there. All right, that's everything we got for today. And we will catch you in the chat room and be ready for Tactical Friday.